Heading: Impact mitigation. Side heading: Definition. First point: impact mitigation is the process of reducing, preventing, or eliminating the adverse environmental impacts of a proposed project. Second point: it is an important part of the environmental impact assessment (EIA) process. Third point: mitigation measures are included in the Environmental Management Plan (EMP). Side heading: Methods of impact mitigation. First point: avoidance. Avoid activities that cause environmental damage. Second point: minimization. Reduce the intensity or extent of environmental impacts. Third point: restoration. Restore the affected environment after project activities. Fourth point: compensation. Compensate for unavoidable environmental damage through measures like afforestation or habitat creation. Fifth point: pollution control. Use technologies and practices to reduce air, water, soil, and noise pollution. Heading: Key components of monitoring. Side heading: components. First point: establish baseline environmental conditions. Second point: select environmental parameters to be monitored: air, water, soil, noise, biodiversity, etc. Third point: decide the frequency and duration of monitoring. Fourth point: collect and analyze environmental data. Fifth point: compare results with environmental standards. Sixth point: prepare monitoring reports. Seventh point: take corrective actions if standards are exceeded. Eighth point: ensure compliance with environmental clearance conditions. Heading: importance of public hearing process in EIA. Side heading: importance. First point: provides an opportunity for public participation in decision-making. Second point: identifies local environmental and social issues. Third point: improves transparency in the EIA process. Fourth point: increases public awareness about the project. Fifth point: helps decision-makers consider the concerns of affected communities. Sixth point: improves the quality and acceptability of the project. Heading: procedure of public hearing. Side heading: steps. First point: public notice is issued informing people about the proposed project. Second point: the EIA report is made available for public review. Third point: a public hearing is conducted at or near the project site. Fourth point: local people, NGOs, experts, and stakeholders express their views and objections. Fifth point: all comments and suggestions are recorded. Sixth point: the concerns are considered during project appraisal and environmental clearance. Seventh point: The final decision is taken by the competent authority. Heading: Advantages of public hearing. Side heading: Advantages. First point: encourages public participation. Second point: increases transparency and accountability. Third point: identifies local environmental problems. Fourth point: improves project planning and design. Fifth point: reduces conflicts between the public and project authorities. Sixth point: supports environmentally sustainable development. Heading: Disadvantages of public hearing. Side heading: Disadvantages. First point: the process may be time-consuming. Second point: public awareness about technical issues may be limited. Third point: political or social pressure may influence the hearing. Fourth point: sometimes public participation is inadequate. Fifth point: conflicts among stakeholders may delay project approval. Sixth point: public suggestions may not always be fully implemented.